Hi friends, welcome to the farm. Today we're gonna learn all about farm animals. Look! What animal is this? Do you know what animal this is? That's right. This is a chicken. This animal is a chicken. A chicken goes cluck, 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 cluck. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck, cluck, cluck. This is a chicken. Look! It's a cow. This is a cow. A cow says moo. Moo. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Moo. This is a cow. Let's say bye to the cow now. Bye bye cow. Bye bye. Bye cow. What do you see? What do you see? Do you see a duck? Yeah, I see a duck. This is a duck. Do you know what sound a duck makes? Yeah, a duck goes quack, 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 quack. Can you make the sound of a duck? Quack, 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 quack. This is a duck. Duck. Let's say bye to the duck now. Bye bye, duck. Bye bye. Bye, duck. Look! I think you know what animal this is. What animal is this? It's a cat. This is a cat. A cat says meow, 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 meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow, meow. This is a cat. Cat. This is a cat. Let's say bye to the cat now. Bye bye, cat. Bye bye. Bye bye. What animal do you see? What animal do you see? A horse? Yeah, this is a horse. A horse says, neigh, 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 neigh. This is a horse. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh, 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 neigh. All right, bye-bye, horse. Can you say bye-bye to the horse? Bye-bye, horse. Look, I see a goat. This is a goat. A goat says, meh, meh. Can you bleat like a goat? Meh, meh. This is a goat. Goat. Can you say bye-bye to the goat now? Bye-bye, goat. Bye-bye. animal is this? What animal is this? Yeah, it's a pig. This is a pig. A pig says oink, 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 oink. Can you sound like a pig? Oink, oink, oink. Good job. Bye, pig. Bye-bye. What animal is this? This is a sheep. Sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep. A sheep says ba, 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 ba. A sheep says ba. This is a sheep. He looks so fluffy and cute. We had so much fun learning about farm animals. We learned about a pig. A pig says oink, 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 oink. We learned about a cow. A cow says moo, moo. We learned about a duck. We learned about a duck, and a duck says quack, 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 quack. We learned about a horse. We learned about a horse. A horse says neigh, neigh. We learned about a cat. This is a cat. And a cat says meow, meow, meow. We learned about a sheep. We learned about a sheep. A sheep says ba, 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 ba. We learned about a chicken. This is a chicken. A chicken says cluck, 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 cluck. We learned about a goat. This is a goat. A goat says meh, 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 meh. That was a fun day at the farm. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you want to see more videos like this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.